Good morning friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd take you around with me and show you what I eat in a day and how I eat in a day. So I'm doing low carb healthy fat, and first of all let's have a glass of water. Okay, it is now about 9 o'clock and I have just dropped off the 2 older kids at school, so it's time to sit down and enjoy a cup of tea. This is my main tea cupboard. It's got the ones that I use the most. I do have some more as well, but I've put them somewhere else because I don't use them all that often. So let's see, what should we have today? Alright, honey and lavender sounds really good. With a 3-year-old, I need any kind of stress relief I can possibly get. Time to enjoy that cup of tea. Now, if you are trying to wean off sugar, this is the absolute bomb. It's stevia drops, and 2 to 3 drops equals about a teaspoon of sugar, so it is brilliant as you're trying to step it down. I have done sugar-free now for quite a while, so I don't really need to use anything. Time for another glass of water. My aim is to get at least 8 cups a day. Each of these glasses contains nearly 2 cups, so I'm well on my way. Alright, it's about half an hour before I'm planning on eating. Before I eat, I take these herbal extract drops. They help me balance my hormones, they help curb my appetite a bit, and they also reduce my absorption of carbohydrates, which is fantastic, especially if you are insulin resistant or type 2 diabetic or anything like that. These drops are awesome. And while I do eat quite healthy, I still do supplement a little bit. These are my vitamins, the 3 on the right, and my minerals on the left. And I just feel such a difference on the day that I take these. I have so much more energy, so I try to remember to take them every single day. And since I'm swallowing some capsules, it is time for another glass of water. It is time to start making my lunch. So I love a really good salad, and I do have a really good recipe for a low carb healthy fat salad on my site, so please have a click on the link above and you can have a look at it. Lunch was delicious, and here are my stats afterwards. I think I'm faring along fairly well. It's important to drink your water, guys, so if you haven't already, go grab yourself a glass. It's nearly snack time for me, so I'm doing another load of my pre-meal drops. And here's what I'm making. So I'm doing a shake where I'm using this protein powder, which is absolutely amazing. It's gluten-free and dairy-free, and it's just full of really good ingredients. I'm actually really happy with it. No sugar as well, so it's completely keto friendly, which is awesome. Now you can make it dark in a shaker if you want. You can just use water. I'm going to use my Thermomix because my shaker bottle is out in my caravan and I can't be bothered going out into 42 degrees Celsius. That's about 107 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot here. I'm also putting in this Power Boost. It's branched chain amino acids and it's cocoa flavored. Again, no sugar, and it is really yum. So I like to put that in with my shake as well. I like to add in a little bit of coconut milk as well. I prefer the ones in the cartons rather than the canned ones when I do my shakes because it doesn't have the lumps. So see what you can find. I use about a quarter of this one, so about 100 mils, which is I think about 3.5 ounces. Can I just say that if you haven't gotten on board the stainless steel straws yet, you really should. They are such a brilliant way of reducing our waste and preventing all those plastic straws from getting into the environment. Okay, so I'm back from picking up the boys at school. And my little one decided he really wanted a little snack, and he loves these seaweed snacks. They do have some sunflower oil and sesame oil in it, which I'm not 100% happy about, but we don't have these very often, and it is organic, so as a once-off treat, I'm fine with that. It's also crazy low in calories. Okay, so I ended up having to go out for some errands today, so I've ended up having to have my dinner out, which wasn't quite what I had planned, but we do what we can. So I just wanted to show you this little handy thing. It's a portable cutlery set and it's reusable. It is all made out of bamboo, which is brilliant because it is environmentally friendly and it's sustainable, and it prevents more plastic single-use cutlery from getting into the environment and more rubbish. So this is brilliant to just keep in your handbag for whenever you need to grab a quick dinner or lunch or something while you're out and about, and I'll show you what's inside in a bit. Alright, so it comes in this absolutely gorgeous pouch. It is fabric and it is really durable, and inside you'll see you have a spoon, we have a knife, there is a fork, even some chopsticks, and there's actually a bamboo straw there as well as a little cleaner so you can actually clean out your straw. So how handy is that? No more plastic cutleries, no more plastic chopsticks or throwaway chopsticks, and no more plastic straws. So really, especially if you're in Australia, check out this website. I actually know the lady who owns it and she is fantastic. So this ended up being my dinner. It is a Japanese udon soup. I actually got them to hold the noodles because, well, I don't really have refined carbs, and I just got them to add some more cabbage down the bottom instead. So this was my beautiful dinner, and here is my final tally for the day. I think I did pretty well considering I had some unforeseen circumstances and having to dine out, so my percentages look fairly good and I have to say I'm quite happy with them. And here's what I had for today. Total of 1312 calories, 9% of that was carbs, 28 protein and 63 was fat. Now, I really hope you have enjoyed this little walk through the day with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again the next time.